Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. First of all, please ignore this literal army of cars just standing around. This video is very important, so I would ask you to please watch until the end. So yeah, I make this as short as possible so I don't waste very much of your time. But from in a few days, maybe my image quality is gonna drop significantly, simply because CapCut, the app with which I edit these videos, is making the 2K, 4K image quality option a pro feature, and I don't have CapCut Pro, nor do I want to pay 15 euros per week or per month for this image quality, simply because I also don't have them if I even wanted to pay it. So yeah, right now I am on the 7-day free trial, but this one is gonna end. Probably if you watch this video it already has ended. So yeah, I'm still gonna record with my phone, with my Nothing Phone 2 in 4K 60 FPS, but because I have to edit these videos, in CapCut I only can select the image quality to 1080p 60 FPS, which is not really good for me. I'm gonna try to switch to another editing platform where I can still use the 4K for free. If you have any suggestions for mobile, please let me know down in the comments. I will be really thankful for that. But yeah, enough of this. Here are some cars for you to look at, and then I'm gonna thank you that you have watched until the end of the video. Sorry to make this video very quick. My voice sounds probably very shaky, but yeah, I'm gonna see you again in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.